Yesterday, that is on October 30th, Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of a C-295 aircraft manufacturing plant in Vadodara, Gujarat. The Tata Airbus Consortium will be responsible for manufacturing this transport aircraft for the Indian Air Force. It is the first project of its kind in which a military aircraft will be manufactured in India by a private company. It is also the first time that the C-295 will be manufactured outside Europe. Following are the important points with respect to this aircraft and the newly launched manufacturing plant in Gujarat. The C-295 is a transport aircraft of 5 to 10 ton capacity with the state-of-the-art technology. The aircraft has a maximum speed of 480 km per hour. The aircraft is capable of performing special missions as well as disaster response and maritime patrol duties. The aircraft can airdrop paratroopers and loads and also be used for casualty medical evacuation. Apart from making 40 aircraft, this facility at Vadodara would be manufacturing additional aircraft for Air Force requirements and exports. The first Indian Air Force squadron of C-295 transport aircraft would also be based in Vadodara. The aircraft built in India would be supplied from 2026 to 2031, and the first 16 fly-away aircraft are scheduled to be delivered to the IAF between September 2023 and August 2025. With the launch of the new facility, India has now entered a handful of nations that has the ability and wherewithal to manufacture C-295. India will join US, UK, Russia, France, Italy, Spain, Ukraine, Brazil, China and Japan as the elite club of nations that can manufacture C-295. This will be the first Make in India aerospace program in the private sector involving the full development of a complete industrial ecosystem. The indigenous contents of the C-295 will be highest, that is 96%. 96% of the work that Airbus does in Spain will now be done at this new facility. India has embarked on a massive transformation of its defense sector through its ambitious Make in India program. Several indigenous projects such as missiles, field guns, tanks, aircraft carriers, etc. have been already embarked on. However, military transport aircraft was the one missing link. With this joint venture, this critical gap seems to have been plugged.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.